All right, hello everyone. In this class, I'm going to show you the app I use for editing my pictures. So the name of the app is Snapseed app. All you have to do is go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and you just search for Snapseed. I'll just have to type it out again. Snapseed, as you can see here. Click on it, and so I already have it on my phone, so it's already downloaded. That's why it's showing open, but you have to install it and just begin to use. So when you open the app, you tap here to open a new photo. So to just come to show me the pictures I have available on my phone, and I can just click anyone to start editing. Alright, so let's say I want to edit this picture here. I just click on the picture and it comes on. So when you get into this app, the first thing you're going to see is some already edited filters, right? This is a list of filters that you can just easily change to change your photo. Alright, and this app is completely free. As you can see, you can click on any of the filters to use them. Alright, so please make sure that your data connection is turned on, because you need your data connection to use certain things like this changing of filters. If it was just to tune the image, you wouldn't need data connection for that. So these are different filters that you can use. So I'm just going to take it back to current. Alright, so I'm back here. Now let's look at the various tools. You click on tools. Number one, we have tune image. Under tune image, we have different features. You click here to see all the features that you can add to your picture. We have brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadows, and warmth. Now, brightness just makes your picture a little bit brighter. So to increase the value of brightness, you move to the right, and to decrease it, you move to the left, as you can see me doing now. So I'm just going to increase it a bit, leave it at SA6. Then I click here again. Now to work on my contrast. So contrast makes the darker parts of your picture darker and the lighter parts lighter. That means if there's a place that is very bright in your picture, it comes out brighter, and if there's a place that is dark in the picture, it comes out darker. Right, so I'm just going to increase contrast a bit. Okay, so you can see that my skin color in this picture is shining more, right? All right, so next, saturation. Saturation just adds a bit of color to the picture. Can you see the way my skin tone has changed a bit? Can you see, the more I increase it, the more color it adds, and if I decrease it, it reduces the color, it removes the color, so you can turn to a black and white picture. So I'm just going to increase saturation a bit. All right, so next we have ambience. So you can see the way it is. Most people do not really like to use ambience. All right, the effect is not very visible, but I'll just increase it a bit. So you generally just walk around this until you can get something that you're comfortable with. All right, so I've increased my highlights. All right, then shadows. Make sure that you always increase your shadows a bit. This just gives the picture a better look. All right, then warmth. Sometimes you don't really have to touch this. All right, you can see that specific part of the picture, right, that was dark has become darker, and increasing it adds more light. All right, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Okay, so this place shows like auto adjustment. All right, that means the app does the adjustment for you. So I'm just going to undo this. Okay, so these are all the adjustments that were done. So if you want to see the before and after, this was the picture before and this is it now. The picture before, just tap on it down, just tap down on it, and this is it now. All right, so okay, so the next we have here is details. Okay, so details, we have structure. So make the objects or surrounding around the main character of the picture to pop out more. Can you see how the structures come to life? If I decrease it, it just becomes dull. You can see that this wood is now dull. Even this, my skin tone is dull, and the cloth. But when I increase it a bit, it just pops. The wood is shining more. Right, so I'm just going to increase it a bit. Next, sharpening to make the picture sharper. Right, so I'll just take it to a 10. Can you see it now? So let's see the before and after of our picture. You click on it and you bring it back. All right, click down and you bring it back. Okay, so the edits are not too much. I've not done too much of editing because I do not want it to go bad. All right, so as we go further, we're going to keep talking about all these other tools. I'm going to show you different ways that you can apply these other tools to your features. We have curves, we have white balance, we have crop, we have rotate, we have perspective, we have expand. So see you in the next lecture when we talk about curves.